Hello everyone and welcome to day 1 of your 30 days English speaking challenge. If you understand English but still cannot speak fluently, if you think in your native language and then try to translate it into English, then this is exactly where your transformation begins. Because today we are not just learning English, we are rewiring your brain to think in English. And remember this very important rule: fluency is not about knowledge, more words, it is about speaking without translation. So, in today's session, I want you to fully participate. Don't just listen. Speak with me, repeat with me, and think with me. Let's begin your journey. Now, step number 1: break the translation habit. Right now, your biggest problem is not English. Your problem is you think in your language first, then you translate, and then you try to speak. This process is too slow. We are going to change it today. From now on, you will try to create direct English thoughts. Repeat after me slowly. I am learning to think in English. Now you repeat. Okay. The second sentence is, I am stopping translation in my mind. Now you repeat after me. The third sentence is, I am building direct English response. Again, I am learning to think in English. I am stopping translation in my mind. I am building direct English response. Excellent. Now, shadowing practice. Now I will say sentences. You will listen, pause, and repeat exactly like me. Focus on rhythm, not speed. Let's start. I am improving my speaking skills every day. Now repeat after me. I am becoming more confident with English. Next sentence is, I can express my thoughts clearly in English. Now you repeat it. I don't fear making mistakes. I learn from every sentence I speak. Now you repeat it. Now slightly faster. I am improving my speaking skills every single day. I am becoming more confident with English communication. I can express my thoughts clearly and naturally. I do not fear mistakes because I learn from them. Every day I become a better speaker. Good job. Step 3: building English thoughts. Now let's turn your brain to think directly in English. I will give you simple real life thoughts. Don't translate, just imagine and speak. Repeat after me. I am sitting here and learning English. I am focusing on my improvement. Now you repeat. I am listening carefully to every sentence. Now you repeat. I am trying to speak without hesitation. I am training my mind for fluency. Now expand your thinking. I am sitting comfortably and practicing English speaking. I am focusing deeply on my pronunciation and confidence. I am listening carefully and repeating every sentence. I am removing hesitation from my speech. I am training my mind to think only in English. Excellent. Step 4: self-speaking practice. Now it's your turn to speak freely. I will give you a structure. You must speak out loud. Say this about yourself. My name is dash. I am learning English speaking. I want to become fluent in English. I practice English every day. I am improving step by step. Now make it more powerful. My name is Dash and I am committed to learning English speaking. I am building fluency through daily practice. I want to speak English naturally and confidently. I am improving step by step with consistency. I believe I will become a fluent English speaker. And now repeat once again faster. Step 5. Now understand something important. Fluency is not perfect grammar. Fluency is smooth flow of thoughts. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Repeat. I choose fluency over perfection. Now you repeat with me. I speak even if I make mistakes. Now you speak out. I improve by practicing daily. Now you speak. My confidence grows every day. I am becoming a fluent English speaker. Again, I choose fluency over perfection. I speak without fear of mistakes. I improve through daily practice. My confidence increases every day. I am become a fluent and confident English speaker. Now your day first challenge, you must speak these 5 sentences and comment them or say them aloud. I am learning English speaking. I am building confidence. I am improving every day. I can speak English sentences. I am starting my 30 days challenge today. Now repeat once more but with full confidence. If you completed this lesson, you have already taken your first step towards fluency. Remember, you don't become fluent in one day. You become fluent with daily practice. By tomorrow, we go to day 2, where we will start building real life daily conversation skill. Until then, keep practicing these sentences and always remember, English is not a subject, it is a skill, and skills improve with practice. I will see you in day 2. Keep speaking, keep improving, keep growing. Goodbye and take care.